Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, Chief. Looking to ensure your Clash of Clans village is ready for 2025? Great. The core way we log in hasn't changed dramatically. Supercell ID remains the gold standard. It's designed to keep your game safe and easily accessible, no matter what device you're on. So, let's explore how this robust system works, ensuring your legendary village is always just a few taps away. Supercell ID is essentially your universal passport for all Supercell games, including Clash of Clans. It links your game progress directly to your email, giving you a safe and secure way to access your village from anywhere. If you haven't already, you can easily create one right from your in-game settings. This single account is absolutely key for keeping your village safe and playing across different phones or tablets. Ready to jump into your village? First, open your Clash of Clans game. From the Settings menu, you'll find the Supercell ID option. Simply choose Login, then enter the email address you've linked to your Supercell ID. After a moment, a unique 6-digit verification code will arrive in your email inbox. Type that code into the game, and voila, your base will load instantly, ready for action. Sometimes, a small hiccup can occur during login. If you've forgotten which email is linked to your Supercell ID, don't worry. Supercell's player support team can certainly help you recover it. Also, if that verification code seems delayed, remember to check your email's spam or junk folders. It often hides there. The most important thing is to ensure your game is always connected to a Supercell ID for smooth access. Keeping your Clash of Clans account secure is incredibly important. A top tip is to enable two-factor authentication on your Supercell ID. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Remember, never ever share your login email or those verification codes with anyone, no matter who they claim to be. Stay vigilant, and your village will remain a safe haven for your troops and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.